Duruk duruk duk duruk duruk duk duruk duruk duk da da da. Duruk duruk duk duruk duruk duk duruk duruk duk da da da. Hello everybody, long time no see again. How are you? I'm so good. In Bali, almost my 6 month finished, and my everything settled down. Sorry, my ex pressed me. Okay, I'm turning back. See you. Whole new episode. My name is Erdem Sentunali. Bye bye.
Nana jatuh dong. Tadi jujur Bella kabur.
I'm waiting for lunch. It's okay. Take your time. No worry. I'm not gonna die because I'm hungry. It's okay. My old friends and family know I don't like fish, but today I came to somewhere really special. Okay, not looking fancy, but top. You are coming here, deciding your seafood like shrimp, different shrimp, or lobster or what? Maybe lobster. And fish, and other type fish. You are deciding. They are cleaning here in front of you, and they are cooking here, but like incredible cook, incredible. I like too much, and really like normally I don't like fish, and everybody knows this, but this time I'm coming here second time. They are too nice, kind, like Indonesian people, so welcoming. Place also amazing. Price is crazy, and even we have small lake here. Maybe they are catching and cooking from here, I don't know. And I'm with Mr. Claudio. Sorry. Yes, enjoy us. When food came, I'm gonna show you also. Food finally came. Not looking sexy, I know, but super incredible delicious. Incredible. I'm eating with my hand. Extra delicious. They're putting some sauce. Our dear friend every time saying crazy. Exactly for this. We finished the lunch, but incredible rain. But weather amazing now, like super cold, fresh. When you are restaurant without wet, it's okay, but when you should ride bike, problem. Guess what happened? We have a problem. I'm too sleepy, and guess what I'm gonna do? No, I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to gym, because you know why? Because if I give every time what my body wants, problem. Not punishment, but I will go gym actually after I'm gonna sleep better. Jokey. No, if I go sleep now, I know I'm gonna be more lazy. I don't wanna be lazy. See you, take care. Till come to gym, I'm fighting too much. My devil of responsible about laziness, fighting like saying don't go, but when I'm finished gym, I'm feeling amazing. It's a reminder, Erdem, come to gym, bro. Now, I'm gonna go a little rest. I'm gonna eat one incredible cooked, well done banana. And after, part 2 of work. See you. After went to home, I was a little sleepy. I slept really well, maybe 40 minutes, but not too much. After I came to my favorite local place with chantik, chintaku, everything. Baby potato, please. Here, super delicious. And here I like, especially because you know why? Because you are just You are waiting just if there is line. If there is no line, you are not making food cooking part. Spring roll, please. Because you deciding they are making 10,000 different type of food in one plate, and after corn and vegetables and done, and super cheap, around $4 one amazing big plate. Lucky, not lucky, lucky.
How are you today?
Good, you?
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna destroy. Bye.